Hi everyone, and welcome back to Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'm Pat Long, and this is part 2 of problem of the day number 9, the gardening problem. So where we left off yesterday, Susan is trying to figure out how much wood border she needs for her garden, and also how much mulch she needs to fill that garden. And so in yesterday's video, we found the perimeter, and we used that to figure out that she'll need to buy 4 8-foot sections of wood. And then we found the area and used that to figure out that she needs 11 bags of mulch. So our job today is to find the cost at store A and the cost at store B and figure out which one is a better price for her if she only has time to go to one of the 2 stores. So we'll start with store A. Store A sells the wood for $2.72 for an 8-foot piece and the mulch for $3.35 per bag. We know that she needs 4 sections of the wood and 11 bags of mulch. So what we can do to find the cost is we can multiply 4 sections of wood times $2.72 per section, and then we can add that to 11 bags of mulch times $3.35 per bag. If we multiply this out, we find that $4 times $2.72 is $10.88, and 11 times $3.35 is $36.85. And adding those two together, we find the total cost for store A is $47.73. Now our job is to find the cost for store B. For store B, she'll be paying $3.60 for each piece of wood and $3 for each bag of mulch. She still needs 4 sections of wood and 11 bags of mulch, and so we'll do the same thing that we did last time with the new prices. So we'll find the total cost by multiplying 4 sections of wood times $3.60 per section, and we will add that to 11 bags of mulch times $3 per bag. If you multiply that out, the cost for these sections of wood is $14.40, and the cost for the bags of mulch is $33. Now if you add those together, her total cost at store B is going to be $47.40. And so the cost at store B was $47.40. The cost at store A was $47.73. So we could say that Susan should choose store B because it costs less. She saves 33 cents by choosing store B over store A. In real life, honestly, those prices are so close, she's probably just going to whichever store is closer, but technically she gets the better price at store B. Now let's take a look at tomorrow's problem. Problem of the day number 10, screen time. Regan works 8 hours every day. He spends 2/5 of his time on his computer when he is at the office. He spends 75% more time on his computer when he works from home than when he works from the office. How much time does Regan spend on his computer when he works from home? I hope this video was useful for you. Remember that you can find links down below, which will give you the PDFs for both the problem in this video and tomorrow's problem. You can also find a link to subscribe to the Conquering Math mailing list and get the problem of the day sent straight to your inbox every day. Thanks for watching this episode of Conquering Math, where it all adds up. I'm Pat Long, and I'll see you next time.